Welcome to the magic world of how things are made. Let's find out. On a sunny summer day, a group of pixies decided to create the most amazing flip-flops in the whole wide world. These pixies lived in a colorful workshop hidden deep in the magical forest. The workshop was full of shiny tools and amazing materials. Before starting, the pixies gathered to talk about the plan. "We need to make the most comfortable and beautiful flip-flops," said Tito, the shoe pixie, as he adjusted his multicolored hat. First, they picked the right rubber for the sole. The soles had to be soft but strong. "This piece of rubber is perfect," exclaimed Clara, the material expert, when she found the shiny green and blue rubber. Then they gathered all the molds to shape the soles. The molds were all decorated with stars, hearts, and tiny clovers that gave a magical touch. Once the soles were shaped, the pixies started to paint them. With tiny brushes, they decorated the edge of each sole with rainbow colors. Lili, the artist pixie, smiled as she painted a yellow sun on each one. The next step was to make the straps. The straps had to be soft and fancy. Carefully, the pixies chose a light and shiny material that sparkled under the workshop light. Roberto, the detail pixie, cut the material into thin strips. Each strip was decorated with tiny crystals that glowed like stars. Then came the assembly process. They joined the straps to the sole with care and precision. Lili looked at the first finished flip-flop and exclaimed, "It looks like something out of a fairy tale." To make the flip-flops extra special, the pixies decided to add a final touch. Clara arrived with a small box full of magical charms. Some were golden, others silver, all glowed with their own light. They chose each charm carefully to match the flip-flops. Tito tied a small golden heart to the center of the strap. Finally, after checking every detail and making sure each flip-flop was perfect, the forest fairies arrived. "These flip-flops are truly magical," they said as they tried them on. The fairies fluttered happily, showing off their new shiny flip-flops that caught the light and spread joy throughout the forest. So with teamwork full of joy, creativity, and lots of color, the pixies made the most beautiful flip-flops ever seen. And in the magical forest, the birds sang and the flowers bloomed brighter than ever. The magical forest was never so happy. Did you like this video? Do you know how flip-flops are made now? Subscribe and give me a big thumbs up.